On behalf of His Excellency, Sir Siminialayi Fubara, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, and the entire people of Rivers State, I extend our warmest welcome to this historic convergence in Port Harcourt, a city that has long been at the forefront of Nigeria's technological and industrial evolution. Your presence here today represents more than diplomatic courtesy. It signals a collective recognition that we stand at the verge of the most transformative technological revolution in human history. The theme of this seminar, Harnessing Artificial Intelligence for Parliamentary Efficiency, could not be more urgent. As lawmakers, the democratic institutions tackle with the exponential advancement of AI technologies. We face what I term the governance paradox of acceleration. How do we create regulatory frameworks for technologies that evolve faster than our legislative processes? How do we ensure that artificial intelligence serves democratic governance rather than supplanting? These are some of the questions I believe that we'll find solutions to at these discussions today. Rivers State, as Nigeria's energy capital and a thriving technology hub, offers unique insights into some of these challenges. Harnessing artificial intelligence for parliamentary efficiency should be domesticated to accommodate our traditional governance structures with emerging digital ecosystems. The AI for governance that works in one country may not necessarily work in another country unless it is domesticated to take care of some differences. Your deliberations over the coming days will likely influence how African parliamentarians navigate the delicate balance between embracing AI's transformative potential and preserving the human-centered values that anchor democratic governance. The demonstrations you would witness, from agricultural optimization to health surveillance to security applications, represent tangible pathways towards what I envision as augmented democracy, where artificial intelligence amplifies human wisdom rather than replacing it. Rivers State is honored to host this groundbreaking dialogue. Our state government pledges continued support for initiatives that positions ECOWAS as the vanguard of responsible AI governance in the developing world. As you embark on these crucial discussions, remember that we are not merely observers of technological change. You are its architects. The frameworks you develop, the standards you establish, and the ethical principles you embed will determine whether artificial intelligence becomes a tool of democratic empowerment or technological subjugation for future generations. I believe it is because of this that part of the reason why we're having these discussions today, to throw more light and more answers to some issues. May your deliberations be fruitful, your insights profound, and your solutions transformative. Welcome to Rivers State. Welcome to the future of parliamentary governance. Thank you all for your attention.
Opportunity to address the ECOWAS Parliament on the occasion of this 2025 Parliamentary Seminar on Harnessing Artificial Intelligence for Parliamentary Efficiency, Ethical Governance, and Development in the ECOWAS region. Madam Speaker, I must say that I'm here with principal officers and members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. When we received your letter that you'll be having your program here, we were indeed very happy. And by the special grace of God, you are here today. And this means so much to us because the legislature at the sub-national level is much more closer to the people when compared to the National Assembly. And your choice of Rivers State for this program is heartwarming. We know that the ECOWAS Parliament years back and up till now is still achieving giant strides in the West African region. And we believe that this particular section will be another opportunity for this Parliament to come up with resolutions that will impact heavily on the good people of not only Nigeria, but the entire West African region. I know that His Excellency Siminialayi Fubara has asked the Deputy Governor to deliver a message on behalf of Rivers State. For that reason, I will say little, because I know that His Excellency will say so much on behalf of the entire state. Madam Speaker, I want to just, before resuming my seat, assure you that those of us in the Rivers State House of Assembly will watch closely what you'll be doing while you are here in Rivers State and see what we can learn from what is going to happen here. We believe that there's so much more to learn from you so that we can improve on what we're also doing here at the sub-national level. We believe that the legislature remains the foundation of our democracy. The legislature is key to any democracy anywhere in the world. For us in this country, we cannot overemphasize the importance of the legislature, particularly at the state level. We can't talk about proper oversight. We can't talk about good laws. We can't talk about a proper governance framework for our people if we don't strengthen the legislature and allow the legislature to perform the duties as enshrined in the Constitution. We believe that we'll continue to serve the good people of Rivers State, and we know that Her Excellency, the representative of the governor is also here. We believe that we have very good opportunity to work together so that Rivers people will definitely benefit from our efforts, and it's our hope that at the end of the day, the dividends of democracy will get to them and our people will be happy. So, Madam Speaker and all the participants, we welcome you to Rivers State. We pray that you have useful deliberations. May God keep you and ensure that all that you are going to do here today will be successful. Thank you, and may God bless you.
I don't know how you look at it, but for me, because I'm a computer literate person too, since the introduction of AI, artificial intelligence, I find it as a tool, not actually as a replacement of a person. So you can effectively use AI for so many things, but I don't think the AI technology itself can replace human technology. You have to get somebody to do it, you know. So the fear, maybe there are some issues like small one, and like in my own case now, if I want to do a bill in those days, you know, I will look for a draftsman to help me do the bill. But now I don't need a draftsman. I can use AI to draft my bill. So, yeah. But that doesn't mean that the person that I could use as a draftsman has lost his job, but he has lost my, that is my
patronage.
Patronage, yeah, that is the best word. So, and if you look at it at that, it would indirectly reduce, you know, or affect the labor market of specialists like that provide the service that you can now get directly without going through the person. As I said, if I wanted to do a bill, I would tell somebody, share the idea with him. And now, instead of sharing the idea so that he would draft the bill for me, I share it with AI and get the ideas and also even prompt it further to adjust, you know. But to me, I'm excited because, as I told you, you see, always with my laptop, because I can get information easily.
Okay, as a focal senator, let's look at the disadvantage of it, because a lot of people I believe that since something that you can just touch on the computer and to just give you answer, very thoroughly go beyond it by giving thorough research as a very vocal of us.
So you see, you are still coming back to what I said. No computer can replace human beings. That's the short and, I don't know, long story about it. No computer can replace human being. You need human. In fact, it is the human being that created the computer itself. It is human being that created the AI. So it cannot, you can't say about that AI will replace human beings. No.
Okay, sir. Let me come in. Let's talk specifically about lawmaking with special emphasis to the West Africa sub-region. How well can this parliament really make what we do as a people? When I say as a people, I'm talking about the nations in the sub-Africa sub-region. How can we use legislation to enhance development in the region, specifically speaking lawmaking?
Actually, we are supposed to have gone more than that where we are today, because ECOWAS is 25 years old now, I think. Yeah. Is it 25? Yeah. 25 years since the formation of ECOWAS, but we have not gone that far. The European Union came, after ECOWAS, but they have gone far. They have common currency, they have common visa, even this Schengen, what do you call it. So they are moving fast and they are doing some products. But for us in Africa, I don't think, and we really need to, because we are almost virtually the same. Like in the West African countries, from here, you find Yorubas in Ghana, Togo, everywhere. Even in the South here, you have spillovers, South people in Cameroon and going down. So we are supposed to be more united so that our economy, our political, even to the extent of political, this is supposed to go far, because we are one and the same people. And the bigger we are, the better. But I think because the issue of politics and power is the one that is really drawing us back. Everybody wants to be a king in his own. But you can be a king in your place and still be in the community and, brotherhoodness. Like you can imagine, let me give you an example. Bayelsa and Rivers used to be the same, isn't it? Yeah. The moment they create Bayelsa State, then when you meet your brother from Rivers, you say, this is Rivers man. That's the problem. We're supposed to be more united than to be divided. Divided we fall, united we...
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.